China isn't just famous for building massive tunnels. They are also leading the way with innovations that many advanced nations haven't even implemented yet. To tackle the life-threatening risk of tunnel flooding, they created a brilliant solution. Meet the Resilient Tunnel Plug. The mechanism is brilliantly simple. High-tech sensors detect incoming water, triggering a massive balloon to emerge from behind the tunnel walls. It inflates to a full 9-meter diameter in just minutes, creating an airtight seal. The plug is made from a specially designed, ultra-strong material capable of withstanding extreme pressure. In fact, the higher the water pressure, the tighter its grip becomes on the tunnel walls. It's a simple, effective, and reusable technical solution designed to prevent future tragedies.